Okay, so basically this video is going to be about this mower. This particular mower was found on the side of the road. We put a different engine on it because the crankshaft was bent, and then we used it for my aunt's property. And basically she ran it for about the length of 3 oil changes without changing the oil. So the oil is actually thinner than probably water. But, I mean, I think I'm just going to run it till it throws a rod. So I'm just going to record it while it runs, because this thing is loud. So, basically I'm going to put my foot here. Yeah, that's my handy dandy pull thing. Because I was tired of getting shocked by that. So basically, yeah, it sounds like it's the blade rubbing the edge of the deck, but there's no blade under there. So basically, I'm just gonna mow until it throws a rod and blows oil everywhere. So, because there's nothing really I can do to save it. I've looked in the block. The piston's enough to wiggle it around in there, and you can hear it rattling. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically run it till it blows. Well, that's about all I'm gonna do for this video. Thanks, and y'all have a nice weekend.